screen. Signal gone, but I still see. I never called.
Do you ever feel like AI-generated lyrics are uncontrollable? Or do you struggle to write complex music prompts just to get a decent result? Meloty AI is not just a music generator. It works like a creative partner, or a personal music producer that actually understands what you want to create. We start by visiting the official Meloty AI website and entering the platform. The core of Meloty AI is its intelligent agent. Instead of guessing prompts, you simply describe your idea, and the agent uses advanced models like Gemini 3 Pro, ChatGPT 5.2, Grok 4, or Deep Seek to generate lyrics and style prompts for you. This completely removes the trial and error process most users struggle with. Let's get started. First, we click on the Sign Up button at the top of the page. A pop-up window opens, allowing you to register with your Gmail account or a personal email. I will complete the registration using my Gmail. After signing up, we go straight to creating music. In this section, you can simply enter your prompt, request. From here, you can provide a reference track, although this feature is available in Pro versions. You can also upload audio or a song to be used as a reference. By enabling the instrumental option, you can create a background track without vocals. By enabling custom lyrics, you can write your song lyrics exactly as you like. And the most important part is its agent. You can use models like Gemini 3 Pro, ChatGPT 5.2, Grok, or Deep Seek. It also has a thinking mode which allows it to process more deeply and provide better results and output. I'll stick with Gemini 3 Pro. Now, let's write our request here. Instead of using technical music terms, I'll just describe an idea. I type, I want a song for my grandma's birthday. She loves cooking pizza and cakes. I'm not mentioning genre, tempo, or structure. This shows how the agent understands simple human ideas and turns them into music. I'm using Gemini 3 Pro, which is a very powerful and high-quality AI model, and in my opinion, it's one of the newest and strongest AI models available right now. Now I click on Generate and wait for the lyrics to be created. As you can see, it generates 3 different versions of lyrics, and you can read all of them and simply choose the one that matches your personal taste. If you don't like any of them, you can easily click on Regenerate at the bottom, and it will create a brand new set of lyrics for you. I'm going to select the first one. The lyrics appear right here, and one of the most important features of this platform is the level of control you have over the song lyrics. You can easily change any part of the text based on your own preferences. This kind of control doesn't really exist in other AI music tools, which is why Meloty AI feels like a real creative agent rather than just a simple generator, giving you full access and freedom to shape the lyrics exactly the way you want. In the condensed section, you can make the lyrics shorter, and with expand, you can make them longer and more detailed. In the more section, you can add additional features and refinements to your text. If writing lyrics isn't your strong point, you can also use the suggestions feature to help improve and polish the lyrics automatically. And even if the lyrics don't feel emotional enough, you can simply talk to the agent directly. For example, I type, make the second verse more emotional. Now I click on Generate again and wait to see how the agent rewrites the lyrics with more emotion. This is one of the features that truly turns Meloty AI into a powerful music-making agent. In the Style Prompt section, it also gives you 3 suggested styles for how the music should feel. You can choose custom and write your own prompt if you want something more advanced, or you can simply select one of the ready-made style prompts. I'm going to choose the first one, which has a birthday style vibe. Now I click on Create and wait for the music to be generated. It takes less than a minute for the track to be ready, and here it is.
The oven warms the morning air, a scent of magic everywhere. Apron tied and rolling pin, let the celebration begin. Floor dusting the wooden tabletop. The oven warms the morning air, a scent of magic. The time of days the family runs, gathering round for the tasty buns. But the main event is the love she serves with every slice that she...
The result is amazing, and I honestly really liked it. What's even more interesting is that if you still don't like the lyrics, you can ask the agent again to create a completely new version. This time, I just type a short word like "another" to get a fresh set of lyrics. I click on Generate again, and it creates a new song for us, written naturally and beautifully. You can easily edit any part of it, add new lines, or change phrases however you like. Now I'm going to use the Pro Vocal feature, which is honestly incredible. It adds a much more realistic and emotional vocal performance to the music. Finally, I click the button and wait for the song to be generated. The music is ready, and it's full of emotion with beautiful lyrics.
The oven warms the morning air, a scent of magic everywhere. Apron tied and rolling pin, let the celebration. The oven warms the morning air, a scent of magic everywhere. Apron tied and rolling pin, let the celebrate.
This is a great way to create meaningful, personalized songs and send them to your loved ones. Now I'm going to create another song. This time I want it to be a bit more advanced and include a vocalist. I write the request like this: dark deep house for 3 a.m. night driving, moody and cinematic, heavy bass, minimal synths, tired male vocal, lonely neon city vibe, Nightcall style. Now I hit the create button and wait for my lyrics to be generated. It takes a moment, and the lyrics start being created. It creates 3 music lyrics for us, and you can choose any of them and click on the select option. I like the middle text and will select it. After selecting it, you can modify the text right here. From the condensed section, you can shorten it. With expand, you can make it longer and have more text. By clicking the more option, you can access features like enhance rhyme and other options. On the right side, you see the style prompts. If you want the vibe of night driving with neon lights and a cinematic feel, Synthwave is the right choice. The steady rhythm, old synths, and tired vocal give that exact Nightcall atmosphere. If you are looking more for a real driving rhythm and an introspective mood, deep house with deep bass and a hypnotic beat is more suitable, especially for quiet, wet streets. But if you want a darker, more emotional space that builds tension slowly, choose dark electronic. When we click on Custom at the top, this page appears. You can define your own style prompt. There are options in the genre, mood, and instrumentation sections that you can choose based on your taste and request. For now, I want to use the style prompts it has provided, and I choose the first one, the cinematic track. Now, by activating Pro Vocal, you can use its more realistic AI, which produces a more human-like and authentic voice, a feature newly added to this platform. Again, I wanted to create 2 tracks for me. Now I click on Create and it starts generating the music. The interesting thing about this agent is that it divides everything into different parts, and you are dealing with an easy-to-use interface where you can easily modify each part. They are all separate, and you can easily see the path. I'll wait for the music to be created so we can listen together. It's done. Let's listen.
Pulse matches the kick.
Left unsaid, grip the wheel, knuckles tight. White lines blur in a rhythmic trace, tight eyes and a hollow face, dashboard.
Both were incredible, excellent. I personally love songs with a night theme and deep house, and they truly gave me that feeling. You can like or dislike the track so that the platform understands your taste, and the learning system improves on how to create. I really like the second one. From this section, you can also download it and save it on your system. As I said, you have access to everything here. I choose the third style prompt here, the atmospheric track, and with the same previous settings, I click on Create and wait for the music to be generated again. It starts creating 2 songs, we wait for it to finish. It's done. Let's listen together.
Engine hums low, a constant drum. Time dissolves in the rearview mirror. Nothing is. Engine hums low, a constant drum. The city sleeps, I'm in the zone. Vibration creeping.
Both were beautiful, but I really like the first one down here. Now I want to use its custom prompt feature and use different styles myself. Here in the genre and mood section, you can choose one. I choose cinematic in the genre section. I want a female voice, so I select that. For the mood, you can choose whatever you want. I select melancholic and chill. In the instrumentation section, I choose electronic and synthesizer. Now I go to the custom prompts section and want to add 2 options. I want it to have a dark vibe, so I type that in. I want it to be a retro vibe too, so I type that here as well. Now, after these changes, we click on Create and wait for the music to be generated. The music is ready, let's listen together.
Pulse matches the kick drum beat. Cold air cuts the summer heat. No signal on the radio, just the hum of the underglow. Freedom static, neon. Engine hums low, a constant drum.
They were incredible. Excellent. It had a female voice and applied the changes perfectly. It's truly good, it only depends on how you frame your request for the music to be created according to your taste. By clicking on the 3 dots next to each track, you get access to its settings, such as edit music, copy link, or delete it. Downloading in FLAC and STEM audio formats requires the Pro version. Finally, you can view its paid plans here. You can check out its annual and monthly plans, and if you liked it or needed it, you can purchase the paid versions. If you want an AI music platform that actually understands you, click the link in the description and get an exclusive 20% off your first purchase with Meloty AI. This link gives you a special creator discount, so make sure to check it out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like it, and be sure to subscribe for more practical videos and to discover new AI tools. Until the next video, stay creative and goodbye.
Left on the screen. Signal gone, but I still